Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So guys, if you need a certain platform that can help you to create the YouTube channel, not only free but also cool at the same time, so in this video I'm gonna introduce you this vidIQ.com. So if you'd like to try it, then don't forget to visit this link, app.vidIQ.com. I will put it in the description box and you can try it out. And the login process is quite simple. You can simply do the login directly with your email like this, whether that with your personal email or the Google Mail here. So I've just done the login process, and this is gonna be the home page of the vidIQ.com. As you can see, this vidIQ.com not only give you the YouTube thumbnail creator or the AI that can help you to create the YouTube thumbnail, but also the tool that can help you to find the trending keyword and also find the trending videos and also generate the content here. And you'll see the progress over here that you can use, and also the lesson, which one you prefer. So guys, let's go back to the topic. In case if you'd like to create the YouTube thumbnail in the free version, so this vidIQ will give you 3 chances to generate the thumbnail, guys. For the first chance or the sample, there will be 3 samples that you can use over here, or the 3 samples that are being produced for the YouTube thumbnail itself. And you can also connect this vidIQ.com to your channel in case if you'd like to make it easier to try this trending keywords tool, trending videos, and also generate the video content. And for example, I will try out this create thumbnails, and it's gonna direct you into this section. And after that, you can start to put your prompt into this section. You can use the prompt, whether that in JSON prompt or the regular prompt, which one you prefer. And for example, I will copy it from the ChatGPT here that I have made before. And for example, here I will create the thumbnail about how to create the light ray text using the CapCut here. Copy it, and you can simply put it here. And if you see the shadow here, basically there are the thumbnail that I have ever tried before, guys. And don't worry, before you generate this prompt into the YouTube thumbnail, you can make sure about the text that gonna be presented into the thumbnail. For example, here the huge bold title gonna be the right lay text, and for example, I will gonna make or add some text how to make, give the colon, and I will create the text here again, how to make colon again, and after that the prompt's gonna be for the video over here, and also you can add the face or the object as the reference, and also you can click this, try this likeness, and after that you can continue to click create and kindly wait for the result over here. Basically, this gonna be consume maybe 1 minute to generate, and make sure that your connection is good so that the generation process can run smoothly. And after waiting for approximately 1 minute, so this gonna be the result, and as you can see, the result or the output is quite clean, and also there will be no, let's say, the typo of the text, or it's kind of the very seamless and also looks pretty realistic and also super cool. And if you like it, then you can start to download it too, and it's gonna be saved into the PNG format, And finally, this prompt gonna be ready to use. And since by using the same prompt, you will have 3 samples of the prompt. The 3 samples of the thumbnails here. So you can make it as the A/B test, because usually for the YouTube channel, they will give you 3 samples of the prompt that you can use over there. So that's all, guys. Don't forget to try this vidIQ.com to create your YouTube thumbnail, and I hope this video finds you helpful. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in a comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.